Hello and welcome back to the Road to Good Cooking. And today is one of those days where I just need to keep myself busy. So I'm going to do some dehydrating today, and I'm going to dehydrate some apples, some bananas, and some mixed vegetables. And then I'm also going to cut up my beef for my beef jerky, and I'll dehydrate that tomorrow. So I'm going to be coming in and out, but for the most part you'll just see what I'm doing and watch me work. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I've already got my mixed vegetables on the rack. Here's my apples, which I'm going to peel and core. Here's the bananas for my smoothies, and I'm going to use these empty water bottles and fill them all up with my smoothie and put them in the freezer. That way I always have my smoothies ready. I'll take them out the day before I want them and let it thaw out in the refrigerator. And this is a 16-ounce jar, so I probably will have, this is like 2 meals for me, 2 breakfasts. So I'm going to make a bunch of those up today, that way I don't have to worry about doing them every single day. Okay, first shelf in, 5 more to go. Might as well take them all out. So. Alright, I'm going to peel and cut up 3 red apples and 3 Granny Smith apples. Here's my bowl with the bag in it, and I'm going to put the peels in this and put it in the freezer till I'm ready to make my apple cider vinegar. So, should be easy enough, right? So how you guys been doing? And what have you been doing? I know you guys are probably going crazy with all the holiday shopping. I like to do my shopping after Christmas, after all the stuff dies, all the craziness dies down. And I'll do it online. And this is the coolest little thing ever. This little gadget right here. Oh my God. When I was doing my catering, whew, that makes your job so much easier. It really does. You know, this holiday season is going to be a little different, but that's okay. I was prepared for that, and I prepared you guys. So you know what was going on, right? And from here, I'm going to stop talking, and I'll put on some nice soft music for you guys to enjoy, so just sit back and watch me work. How about that? Tray done. I think I ate every other one. I got everything in there. I have my bananas and the apples on top. I have 2 trays of mixed vegetables. Drop the temperature down, drop the temperature down to 145. I'm gonna get started on my smoothies. Okay, I got everything all chopped up. Now let's get going here. Now I used up all of my kale last weekend when I was making my collard greens. So I'm going to use some mustard greens in my drink. I mean, it doesn't matter as long as you get some greens in there. And here's all my other stuff that's going in. This is my organic flaxseed, protein powder, and then I got all these veggies chopped up. Everything's all chopped up. So let's get it going here. I'll be adding a tablespoon of the protein powder and a tablespoon of the flaxseed. Okay, I got everything all whipped up and bottled up, and this little guy here, I'll have that in the morning for breakfast, and these are going into the freezer. I like freezing my smoothies in these bottles because they're small enough where I can put them on the door in the freezer. And then I'll save the rest of those pineapples because I'm pressure canning pineapples tomorrow. So this is going to be the start of my sister's jar of pineapple because she loves my pineapple. Alright, so before I get started on anything else, I gotta clean up this mess. I like to clean up as I go because I don't want to have to deal with a whole bunch of stuff by the time I get done. Alright, by the time I finished cleaning up my kitchen, I was a little wiped out, so I cut the video off right about here, and you'll see the finished product and the beef jerky in the next video. Now, the last time I dehydrated apples, I had all kinds of sugar and all kinds of goodness on it, and they taste like little mini apple pies. But I thought to myself, making healthy snacks, that kind of defeats the purpose of putting all that stuff on there. So I didn't add that this time to this batch. And Sophie loves them, and she's not too crazy about the bananas, but she loves the apples. And you will see the finished product tomorrow. And the beef jerky turned out absolutely incredible. That's Sophie's little jar there. And to the Beagle Police, her beef is not seasoned, so don't be busting my chops. Mine is fully loaded, and it is absolutely delicious. My favorite snack ever. So Sophie and I are trying to do better. We're trying to, eat healthier snacks and not eat so much fatty stuff. So we're working on it. So thank you so much for stopping by, everyone. And remember the reason for the season. And you guys be safe out there and have a wonderful holiday season with your family. And I'll see you soon.